I'm Dr. Garo Emerzian. I'm a podiatric surgeon. Been in practice with Illinois Bone and Joint for 26 years. As a former Division I college football player and somebody that has had foot problems, I can empathize and understand people's foot and ankle issues. I understand the type of pains they experience with those, as well as the healing side of it. It gives me great satisfaction to see a patient that has an issue and to get better, whether it be conservatively or surgically. A patient I recall had a significant bunion and arthritis of the foot and worked at a hardware store. The goal was just to be able to get back to working pain-free and was able to accomplish that, and that was really satisfying to me that I was able to help. I like to treat patients as if they were my family member. I like to educate the patient, I like to communicate with the patient, and ultimately return the patient back to their highest level of function.